So hello everybody, this is my first video on the platform and I will actually explain to you why I'm starting this YouTube channel. I've always wanted to make videos about things that I'm interested in, make actually a piece of content that brings value to the person watching it, and also contribute and bring my 2 cents to the platform about things that I'm interested in, but that you might also be interested in. Because even if the platform is saturated with a massive amount of videos about any topic, I still think it's possible to create a channel and actually make videos about things that still a lot of people might be interested in. But with this actually comes a first question: what is this channel going to be about? The channel will be about programming and about topics related around technology. The channel will have 2 main purposes. The first one will be to make personal projects and present it to you, and you guys hopefully get inspired by it, or at least it brings you some value and it can help you for your own personal project. I still don't know if I want to create like full tutorials about a project that I'm making, or just showcase you some highlights so with that you get inspired by it. We will see with time what you guys like more, I guess. The second thing will be actually to explain to you some topics about technology that might not be known by everybody, and try to explain it as simple as possible. For example, I've always been fascinated about how, for example, Facebook can track your data. How can someone hack your computer or your phone? Or how do they do to actually get information about you, and how are you really tracked by anything? Those videos will actually be about topics that I'm interested in, and where I think it can be interesting enough for you guys to hear about it and understand and really be aware how certain things actually work, and with that it again brings you some value. More than the will to start, there are also a couple reasons why I really want to start this channel. The first reason will be the 1% rule. The 1% rule is a rule of thumb on the internet that actually explains that only 1% of the people in a specific niche are creators, and the 99% other are actually viewers. This means that relating to programming, out of all the videos that you see, they only represent 1% of the people that are interested in programming. Those people are actually the people that helped me become the programmer that I am today, and I'm sure I'm actually not the only one that they have inspired. But still, while there exists a lot of video on the channel, more often than not, I still find myself searching for hours about a certain thing about my project that I would like to understand or solve, and I still cannot find it on YouTube. So it's not that the subject is really difficult or something really complicated. It just means that there is still a need for people to actually create content and explain those certain problems that are not always super complicated. It's just that nobody ever made a video about it. A second reason why I want to start this channel is to create my personal portfolio. Over the time, with all the projects that I will showcase you, I will link all of those to my GitHub account, and with that I'll have a personal portfolio that I can showcase to other people, to recruiters if I want to get a job, or if I start my own company, I can actually show that to potential new clients. And the fact that it has been captured, that the whole project has been captured, gives also more credibility to the project, and it also gives a visual representation of it. So it's only a win-win situation. Also, all the projects that I will make will always be linked to my GitHub account. You can see it just over here. So if you want, you can also follow me there. And all the projects that I make will always be accessible for free, not like some other people on the platform. You will always get access to the code. So if it really helps you and you want to see how I made it, you can always get the code and do whatever with it. I don't care. The third reason why I want to make this channel is also to personally improve in my programming skills, because every week I always have little ideas or new ideas about things that I want to program, but more often than not I never really see the point of making it. But with this channel, I know that making this new project will not only help me improve in my programming skills, but hopefully it will bring value to you guys. And with that, it actually also gives me enough reason to start that new idea that I had last week. And with that, I can only improve in the field that I'm working on. So those are the main reasons why I want to start this YouTube channel. But I also want to mention 2 points that I think are really important, because those are the reasons why I didn't start earlier. The first one is you don't need to be a pro to actually start a channel. Starting this YouTube channel has been on my mind for a couple months now, and I always thought that actually I needed to be pro in a certain topic to actually talk about it and teach other people how to do it, or that they get inspired by it. But actually that's not really the case, because out of all the people that you might know about a certain topic, if it's about programming or something else, when they started their channel, they were not pros when they started it. They only improved by actually making videos, and actually with time they got more skilled and they helped more people with it. And that's why I'm actually starting this channel. The second thing is, after everything that I explained right now, I never mentioned something about views. It's because views here actually don't matter, because there is more to it than just gain a massive amount of views. And that's also one of the fears that I had a couple months ago when I wanted to start. I also thought that I wasn't interesting enough, or that the videos that I will make will actually not make a lot of views, and with that I will not be motivated by it. But actually it doesn't really matter, because if you really want to do it and you really love to make and to show to other people what you are making, it doesn't matter how many views that you really make. It's just you do it for you, and you might bring value to some person that's watching that video, and I guess that's still a win-win situation. That's also something that I was really afraid of a couple months ago, but you just need to pass that stop. And after you overcome that fear, if you enjoy what you're doing, or at least you think that you will enjoy making videos and learn a new craft, then you should not be afraid of it and just go for it. So those are actually all the reasons why I started this channel. So first of all, if you made it till the end of this video, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. If you think you would be interested about the topics that I will talk about, you can always subscribe to the channel. And if you're not sure, you can still subscribe to it. You might learn something new. And also, you can always follow me on my Instagram. If you want, you can always DM me about stuff that you would like to hear, some topics that you think might be interesting for other people, or some projects that you want to see, or that you think it might bring value to you if I make it. So you can always DM me or leave a comment on this video, and with that I know what I could make in the future. I already have some idea about what I want to make in the coming weeks, but I'm still open for new ideas that might be more interesting to you guys. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.